For the right triangle ABC, which is right angle at C, A is 45, B is 35.2. We need to determine the remaining part. Okay, let us begin. For this, what we'll do, we're going to consider a right angle triangle ABC. So here the angle measure of C, that is going to be 90 degree. Now it's given that A equals to 45. A is going to be the angle that the side that is opposite to the angle A, that means CB. CB is going to be A and it has a measure of 45 units. Then we have B equals to 35.2. B is going to be the side that is opposite to angle B. That means AC in our case here. So B here is given as 35.2 units. So our goal will be to determine the remaining parts. That means we need to find out the angle measure of A, angle measure of B, as well as the length of the hypotenuse AC, which is denoted by C. To begin with, we're going to consider the triangle ABC. So in this triangle ABC, let's consider the tangent of the angle B. Now tangent of angle B is going to be defined as the ratio of the opposite to that of the adjacent. So here the opposite, that is denoted by B, and the adjacent, that's going to be A. So that means we have tangent of B, that is going to be equals to 35.2 divided by 45. Now to find out the angle B, what we'll do, we're going to take the inverse tangent function of both sides such that we get B equals to the inverse tangent of 35.2 divided by 45. Now let's use our calculator to obtain this value, and this comes out to be approximately 38 degrees. So that means the measure of angle B comes out as 38 degrees. Right? Now that we have the measure of angle B, we can immediately find out the measure of angle A, because here also we can say that angle of A, that is simply going to be equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees plus the measure of angle B, which came out as 38 degrees. Now this is going to be equals to 52 degrees. So we have obtained the measure of angle A as well, so that is 52 degrees. Now we want to find out the length of the remaining side. So here we can take the sine of angle 38 degrees, so in sine of angle B. So we're going to take sine of angle B, which is 38 degrees. So that is defined as the ratio of the opposite to that of the hypotenuse C. Since we want to find out the value of C, the side C, so rearranging, we get B over sine 38 degrees. So we have the value of B. So B, that is 35.2 divided by sine 38 degrees. So let's plug this value into a calculator, and that is going to give us the corresponding C value as 57.2 units. So this is going to be the length of the side C. We get 57.2 units. And clearly this value makes perfect sense because C is the hypotenuse, and we know the hypotenuse is always the longest side of a triangle, so it's always going to be greater than A and B.